Welcome to Igbo History TV. I am Chiso Natugo Starlord. There is this video I watched yesterday where Ghanaians are doing protests saying that Nigerians living in their country should go. They are the problem. They are the ones destroying their country. But if you look at that statement and the protest in another way, it is against the spirit of Pan-Africanism, which most Ghanaians are preaching. Most Ghanaians are preaching for one Africa, this or that, but they are not practicing it. That one Igbo man want to establish a kingdom for the Igbos in Ghana shouldn't have amounted for you to pursue other Nigerians living in that country. If what that man did is wrong or is against your constitution, let your government, let your law take its course, other than asking Nigerians living in your country to leave. In Nigeria here, there are Ghanaian king in Benin. There is a Ghanaian king in Lagos. There is a Ghanaian king in other country of the world where Ghanaians are found. There is a Ghana village in Gambia. Why is Ghanaians doing like this? This thing will have a very huge after effect on the Ghanaians. I could remember in the 90s when some Nigerians are asking Ghanaians to leave. It was Igbo people that rise up against that statement. It was Igbo people that stood up for Ghana and said that they are not going to leave. It is against the spirit of Pan-Africanism. Because we Igbo people love strangers. We are strangers. That's why we don't maltreat strangers. We always try to protect strangers. That is the true nature of an Igbo man. Because we ourselves, we travel a lot. The man in question wants to establish an Igbo village. You know, anywhere Igbo people are found, they always have this communal mindset. They always have this communal mindset. They always have their king. Ezendi Igbo means the head of the Igbos, the chief of the Igbos, the king of the Igbos, and not the king of Ghana. He's the representative. He's just like a representative of the Igbo people living in Ghana. If any Igbo man did anything wrong, he's the one you are going to meet. He's the one that represents the Igbo people in Ghana. That's what that name means, Ezendi Igbo, in Igbo language.
So, we want Nigerians to go back to their country. Ghana is for us. Ghana is not for any foreigner. No Igbo man can come to this country and intimidate us. This country belongs to us. President Mahama, you came for Ghanaians. You said Ghana first. You said you came for the youth. Please, take action now. Thank you.
I don't know. Unite me. We can't be dealing with the legal criminals that we are having in Ghana and be dealing with Nigerians too. No. So Nigerians, the government, the politicians have to do something about it. If they know that they are taking money from Nigerians, they better return it and do something about it. And the immigrations, they should stop giving Nigerians Ghana passports. They should stop.
Nigerian, I will kill you. Who will be close? Who will kill you? You go to your country. Go back to your country and go and kill your fathers and your sisters, criminals, fraudsters. You will go to your country back. Nigeria must go. Mr. President must go. Nigeria, all the other foreigners in our beloved country, our motherland, Ghana, we said Nigeria and all other foreigners must go. I pray, as I say here.
Moreover, Igbo people are not found in that are not resided in Ghana. Moreover, Igbo people are not residing in Ghana because Ghana is better than Nigeria or Igbo land. For a matter of fact, there are Americans in Arab countries, there are Americans in Nigeria, there are Americans in Britain, there are Americans in other countries, in African countries. In most African countries, there are Americans. You will see them there. That doesn't mean that those countries are better than America. It's just how life is. There is an Igbo adage that said that I don't know if we be killing monk. Don't watch masquerade sitting in one position. Have to go like this, watch different type of masquerade in display. So I want our people, I want Ghanaians to know that there will be a serious effect on this particular protest against their fellow black people. Because there are Ghana people in Nigeria, a lot of Ghanaians are residing in Nigeria. As I'm talking to you now, there are a lot of Ghana in the Igbo land. There are a lot of Ghanaians in Nigeria. There are a lot of Ghanaians in every part of the world. And then some of them has their king in most of these places where they are found. They might say that he's establishing SND, but not SND Ghana, or he's not establishing any kingdom inside Ghana. He's going to buy the land. He's not grabbing the land. He's going to buy the land from you. That's what he said in 2013, many years ago, more than 12 years ago. That is what he said. He's going to buy the land from you. He's not going to grab it. So I don't know how you misinterpreted what the man said and thereby go along to make a protest against all the Nigerians living in Ghana, as if there is no Ghana living in Nigeria as well. Huh? So I want you to drop your comments and tell us your mind about the incidents that happened in Ghana yesterday. Tell us what you feel that will happen in the future if this thing is not caught now. I want you to tell us. Try and like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. This is Chiswan Natugo reporting live at Igbo History TV. Thank you so much.